Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. My name is Charles Stanley from TS Tech Talk. Today we are going to be going through how to import, backup, export and then save up our file on our contact. Now, in the previous tutorial on the desktop version, actually showed you guys how to do this. Import your contact and save it on a different account. But this time around, we are going to export our contact and then import it right here on our contact list, because if you notice we don't have any contact here on my phone. So I need contact, I need to call my friends, I need to get to know who I'm chatting with on the WhatsApp, because I wouldn't be seeing their name if the contact is not stored on my phone. So now in order to get contact back in, I need to open a different I need to open my Google contact, because I already have some contacts on my Google contacts. I do save up my contacts, back up my contacts actually on Google Contacts, so I'll be able to get a lot of contacts from there, which I have. And also, you guys should know you would have stored a contact before you'll be able to see it on Google Contacts, like I did showed you on 3 or 4 tutorials ago. I'm very sure you guys should revert back to those videos, and I'm also going to include them on the link below so that you'll be able to check them out, and hopefully you understand and get along with this video tutorial. Now I'm going to go back, open our favorite browser, which you should know is a Chrome. And then I open my Chrome. And then next I need to do is to type contacts.google.com, just like I used to do. And then after it opens up for us, we need to log into our account. But unfortunately, I'm already logged in. You can see I have an account logged in, which is actually Intrinsic Trend. So you guys should be sure you log into your account before you'll be able to see anything. Without logging in, you won't be able to see a damn thing. Now I'm logged in, and then I'm able to see all these accounts I have right here. So when you click on it, you see their details. When you click, you see their details. Now all I need to do in order for me to get these contacts right here on my phone showing up is just to export it and then import it right here. Now it's not a magic, you guys should know. Once you follow up this tutorial, you'll be able to do it. Now on the left hand corner of the menu, you should see a menu bar there. Go ahead and click on it. Once you've clicked on it, it's going to show you some options varying from contacts, how many contacts you have, which is 1,224, although some of them are duplicates. So you will see frequent contact, you see duplicate contact, label, import, actually imported on this date. Actually imported it from Trust Stanley's contacts, so I have 3 different contacts, so I don't want to lose my contacts, so I have 3 different Google accounts I back up my contacts on, just in case of anything. I know nothing will happen anyway. So in order for us to export this contact and have it imported on our phone, mobile phone contact, all we need to do is to select on more, and then you notice right here you can see export. So go ahead and click on export. And then you can notice it gives us the first option, which is Google CSV, and then it gives us Outlook CSV. And if you remember in our previous tutorial, or when you watch the video down there in the previous tutorial, I actually used Google CSV because I want to link it from different accounts on our desktop version. But right now we are dealing on mobile version, so we're going to make use of the vCard, which is the one below. So we're going to go ahead and select vCard for iOS. Now vCard for iOS, it's the only version that works for mobile phones. So all you need to do is to go ahead and click on export. Now go ahead and click on export and wait for it to load. And now it's going to say downloading, and it's actually currently downloading, and now it's finally downloaded for us. So contacts .vsc contact.vcf is already downloaded. So let's go ahead and click on our menu. Don't mind me, my pronunciation is probably dumb. It's just because I'm trying to make this video to be faster. And then okay, now on our home menu, go to your contacts. Once you're on contacts, all you need to do is just to click on the 3-dotted corner on the right hand corner, a 3-dotted menu on the right hand corner, just before the group below, and then behind the search bar. Just go ahead and click on it. And then sorry, I pressed too long. Just click once, and then it shows you add account, import account, and then mark. All we need to do is just click on settings, and then after the settings have loaded up for us, go back, sorry, click on it, and then click on import contacts. Why do I always make this mistake? actually make this mistake every time. Now click on import contact right here. Once you've clicked on imported contact, now go ahead and say select where it's stored in. Actually, it's stored in our internal storage. So let's go ahead and select internal storage, which is right here. Now wait for it. It's searching for our vCard. Wait for it. Okay, now it's searched and it's giving us the contacts we have. All we need to do is just go ahead and select and then click on OK. And then it's importing or okay, now it's imported. And you can notice that the same thing we have here is still the same thing we have on our web. But it actually sorted out for us and it removed duplicates and unwanted words. You can see. So so this is actually imported for us, and you can go ahead and back this up on your Google Drive or wherever you want it to. So if you scroll up, you can notice it's still importing vCard. I don't know why. It's not complete anyway, so it's still importing our vCard until it reaches 100%. That's when it's completed. So hopefully this video helped you guys to import and then save up your contacts. So you should always make sure you have your contact backed up online on your Google Contacts, so that way you have it safe and you won't be able to lose it. And just like I did, I have my contacts backed up on 3 different email addresses on Google. So you guys should also do this. In that case, you won't be able to lose any of your contacts and you won't be saying, hey, sorry, I don't know who is speaking, I lost my contact. And so a lot of people say that, and it's kind of annoying when there is technology. So TS Tech Talk actually brings you up closer and then trying to get you guys to know things you don't know. Although so many people already know this. Okay, thank you for this tutorial. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel if you don't already do. If you haven't done that already. And also, okay, it's almost finished, but that's not all because there isn't it. So like and comment, leave a comment below if you are finding any challenge in watching this tutorial, trying to get along with this tutorial. And with your question, I'll be able to know what to tackle next or what video to create next. So alright, thanks again for watching. Make sure you like and share my video with your friends. Okay, let me scroll up. I think it's completed now. So I definitely all contacts is supposed to be showing when I scroll down to Z and hash. Yeah, they are all showing. You can notice my contact ended in Y, and then the rest are just hash, which is actually not saved on my phone. So thank you guys again for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if you have any question. And in the near future, I'll be making more great videos, and very soon I'll be creating graphical video and teaching you guys how to create graphical stuff. And also very soon I'll be making a new video intro I'm leaving it on my channel. Please don't forget to share my videos if it actually helps you. In order to share, once you share it, you'll be able to reach more people and help other people in the planet to know more things. Alright, thank you for watching.